reason it was not putting out any sound. So hopefully you guys can hear me now. Mic check 1 2 1 2. All right, perfect. Yeah, I don't know what was up with the audio interface. It wasn't on mute. I thought it was on mute at first, so I hit the mute button or unmute button. All right, so what I was saying is we look at the economic calendar. The only thing we have on deck today is the FOMC meeting minutes. I doubt it's gonna be a big movement. Usually it's just a little blip. We have NVIDIA coming out after the bell, so we'll see. Russia's NQ down move target VWAP. Huh. Yeah, I'm actually hoping that we get a little bit more of a lift up so I can short things. Hoping we get a little bit more lift up this morning. I'm not paying that. Fear and green index, we're sitting at 59, so we dipped down a little bit yesterday. The CAC and the DAX are up, but we look at the HSI and Nikkei, they were both down. Nikkei down 746 points. HSI down 146 points. So we'll see. We will see. How are things going to shake out today? Hear a little bit of chirping going on here at the moment. We do have the NASDAQ right now up 173 points. Dow's up 115, S&P up 23, Russell up 11.9. Hey, Smoke. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Hey, Boss Dog. We are going to be giving away Lucid accounts today. So, I'm not sure. Should we do 2 duck races? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Can they push? Hey, Tris, good morning. I want to see if we can push up a little bit more. You see, we came down yesterday. We came down to that point of control. And then we're trying to lift up here a little bit. So one of the things we can do is pull our fib retracement from the all-time high to a low. 38% retracement. You know, I'd like to see a little bit more up, maybe around the 50 to 61.8 level. And then set up an ABC pattern on the way down to get down to lower prices. No, hey, Brad. So majority of the props, not all of them, I think my funded futures still considers this a tier 1 news event. All the other props do not, which I'm actually going to go check that real quick. I'm going to check that real quick just to see if I'm right on that. But I feel like the last time they considered it a tier 1 news event. I'm trying to find it. T1 new. Let's see. What month are we in right now? We're in May. Yeah, they do. So my funded futures considers the minutes a tier 1 news event. So Take Profit Trader does not. Well, let's just double check. Make sure they did not change it. So let me go log in real quick, because that would stink. Let's just double check. Double check. Hey, repeat. Good morning. Let me go see. Hey, Jose, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Let's see. I'll select this account, go to calendar. I don't think I received an email recently either. So Where is it at? I don't see it. I think, oh, there it is. All right, so what day are we on? Yeah, so Tape Profit Trader does not have it. Yeah, no tier 1 news event with Tape Profit Trader. I knew I didn't get the email. I just wanted to double check just to make sure. So this month, all we had was non-farm payrolls, which was on the 8th. And then we had the CPI on the 12th. So other than that, there's no other news restrictions on Take Profit Trader. Just want to make sure. Hey, Raphael, good morning. Now we do have a trade detector bubble. It just showed up right here. Are we going to be able to push above it? Kind of trap those sellers and push it up a little bit more? Or do the sellers get rewarded and we come back down towards the center regression channel or even lower? I want to look at the ES real quick. What do we have on the ES? Let's pull our fib from all-time highs. There we go. So we haven't retraced a 38% retracement yet. That comes in at 74.25. I still think there's a little bit more to the upside. We should be able to hit at least that level before we get a pullback. Maybe even the 50% retracement. There we go. We see the NASDAQ pushing up. We see the NASDAQ. And I want to look, is there any really, really good? I really see that here at the moment. Look and see if there's any good micro trades setting up. I just don't see it here at the moment. You can see last night though. Last night we were below value area low. Wicked it. We popped up. You could have hit point of control as target number 1. Almost got the full target. Came back down. Wick below value area low again. And then ran up. You could have got the full volume profile rotation at that point. If NVIDIA pops, the whole market pops. Yeah, I agree with that. But let's go see what's NVIDIA doing out here in pre-market. Is NVIDIA rocking it up in hopes that they're going to keep on pushing? Yeah, NVIDIA is up right now, $3.59, up 1.63%. But look at NVIDIA on the daily. All right, this will be exciting to see. Does NVIDIA push all the way up here to 248? We had this ABC pattern in play. We've already broken above the swing point here. We basically came back down for the retest. We barely missed the retest and then just go ahead and finish ripping on up towards completing that ABC pattern. Samsung's workers going on strike. So well, let's go look real quick. What is, what's Micron doing? Micron's up right now 3.4%. Okay, what about SanDisk? SanDisk is up 2.12%. Let's see, is Intel up this morning? Intel's up 4.92% in pre-market. Yeah, hey, you said that yesterday too about the low being in. And we did not go any lower yesterday. So, hey, trading game, good morning. Thinking about doing 2 Lucid giveaways. Yeah, we're already doing one tonight. So think about doing 2 Lucid giveaways on stream. And then in tonight's video too, we're going to do an analysis video tonight. I'll be dropping at around 5 o'clock, maybe 5:15, 5:30, somewhere in that ballpark. We'll be giving away a Lucid account from that as well. So you guys want to make sure that you're tuned in. So I think what we'll do is as soon as we get to 100 likes, we'll go ahead and run the first duck race if we can do it well before the open. And the quicker we get to 100 likes with less people in here, the better odds you have of being picked. So just so you know, let's see. We get Nightbot situated and stuff too. Let's see. Ooh, I'm speaking about pushing that like button. Shame on me. I have not pushed it myself. Let me go over there and just give it a little love tap. Tap, tap, tap-a-risky. All right, let's see. Ooh, I'm going to be lucky number 51. Push us right over the midpoint of the first target we have for that like button. You're lucky number 7. Nice. The rapid plans are pretty good for payouts. I got 3 rapid accounts right now, which I have some My Fund and Futures accounts we're going to be giving away maybe tomorrow. I have some My Fund and Futures accounts to give away. Yeah, we'll see how today shakes out. How's it all going to shake out? All right, Mr. Duck Race. Let's see. Names, edits, remove. And if you guys do want a chance to win a free account, make sure you sign up to the email list down below. Otherwise, if you win, you'll forfeit. I don't want nobody to forfeit. My Fund and Futures is having a sale right now on the rapid accounts, on the 25K rapid account. So you can get daily payouts in that account. I think it's like $65, I think. Hold up. I'll tell you in a second. Where'd that populate? Let's see. Yeah, let's go lucky. Yeah, you can get about 40% off. Where's that? I think it comes to $65. So 25K rapid account. And a lot of people hate on the 25K accounts. But if you think about it, it's really the quickest path to a payout. You have to make a lot less money. Uh-oh, TradeVate's glitching. Oh boy. TradeVate just froze mid-trade. Your ninja's frozen too. Oh boy. You guys are messing with me now. I don't need this. Let's watch. Is that the same price? I see my NASDAQ. My NASDAQ's still moving. My ES still moving. You guys are scaring me to place a trade now. Oh boy. Oh boy. We don't need one of those days again. So 3 of yous are frozen. Oh man. Hey, did you try to shut down Ninja and reboot? That's not giving me the warm fuzzies. Just saying. It's TradeVate. Well, I'm connected to TradeVate too. I see my stuff still moving. But my charts are powered off my live account. So I think whichever account you log into first has priority over the accounts. TradeVate web is frozen. Hey, Marcelo, good morning. Oh, repeat, you're stuck too? Dang it. Ah, it's back. Oh boy. It's just not giving me the warm fuzzies inside. You guys are making me a little bit nervous here. You guys are making me scared. Your live chart is good to go. How's the GEX on gold? Let's go look. Actually, let's look at the ES and stuff real quick. We do have call resistance up here at 74.15. We gotta get past that. I'd like to see us get a little bit above this and then reject back down. That'd be pretty banger. Oh, that was a 1 day minimum yesterday. We're at call. We're just above call resistance over here on the NASDAQ. We've been kind of flirting with that. We're gonna push on up towards the 1 day max. There could be a lot of excitement around NVIDIA's earnings coming out today. It's back. Oh boy. Hopefully there's gonna be no more trade evade issues. That'd be horrible. Don't forget, as soon as we get to 100 likes, we are gonna do a giveaway for a Lucid account. So the quicker we get there with less people in here, the better odds you have of winning. So if you guys can just smash that lucky like button, it'd be greatly appreciated. We have enough people in here. If everybody hit that like button, we'd already be there. So we'll have Nightbot pick out 10 people. I'll pick out a couple people out of the chat after Nightbot makes its selections. And then we'll run it and see who wins. Who's going to win. If you guys do want a chance to win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. And your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, you'll simply forfeit. Now, if I look on the ES, we do have a little bit of liquidity at 74.15. And then a little bit more right up here at 74.25. Then two different levels even up here higher. 47.5 and 74.50. The downside 73.80, 65, 60, 55. So let's see if we can go up there and try to take this liquidity right up here first. Let's see. What we'll see is, maybe NVIDIA comes out with good earnings in the conference call, spanks it back down, or maybe that's the earnings is what the market needs for the catalyst to go ahead and complete its ABC target on the way up. So again, we've had this mapped out for, I don't know, a little bit now. Target's up here at 248.25. So do we make it up there? Hey, good morning. Good morning. So we'll see. We shall see. Where's the VIX at? VIX this morning is down 7 cents. So 30K if NVIDIA really blows out earnings. I mean, it could happen. It could happen. It'd be an exciting after hours today. And the reason why I say that is it's just NVIDIA is such a high weighting of the indices out there. If we look at, you guys are on the stream, we talked about this in the past, but no, not everybody's in here every day. But look right here. If we look right here, NVIDIA for the S&P 500 makes up 8.9% of the index. So NVIDIA, one stock alone is 8%. It's even worse when you look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. NVIDIA makes up 13.89% of the NASDAQ 100. So that's, when NVIDIA moves, it has a big tug on the markets. So point of control seems the same place as yesterday. Yeah, right now it's pretty darn close to it. The developing and the overnight at the moment. The overnight's not fully done yet. I'll have the volume profile where it stops here in a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty close to where it was yesterday. But think about this. This whole move up we've had right here is on very thin volume. Very easy to come back and retrace it. No real structure, just up. Small little pullback here, and we'll see if we keep on going. I'd like to see it push here a little bit more. NVIDIA earnings are probably right after 4 o'clock, probably 4:10. I would guess. Let me see if Financial Juice actually shows it. It says NVIDIA's earnings 4:30, but I really think it's probably before that. It says 4:30 on NVIDIA's earnings and Financial Juice. So, all right, 3 more likes and we're going to do our first duck race. So if you want a chance to win it, Make sure you sign up to the email list down below and make sure you smash that like button. We have about 180 something people in here, so we should be able to get there. Let's see. No, I'm at my house. So the picture behind me is, or the image, the media behind me is of Costa Rica, because I was not on stream on Monday. So I was just playing a joke on people thinking I was already there. I'm not there yet. I'm going soon, very soon, but I'm not there yet. All right, congrats. We did get over 100 likes. So let's get the duck race started. Give you guys, the early birds, a little bit of a boost. So, all right, type in the key phrase I'm going to be dropping here in just a moment. And this is for a Lucid 50K Pro account. The code's going to be Lucid. Use code Mike. Type it in. We'll see Nightbot pick out 10 people. Emerald Green Waves, you're going to be spot number 1. All right. Number 2 is Wildman Viper. All right. The next one is going to be Hamster. Next one is going to be, my eyes are horrible. Next one is going to be, I'm watching this market. Let's see if we're going to be able to go up, take out the overnight highs or not. Next one. Gray Horse. All right. Next one is going to be Eric Smith. Next one is going to be, we'll see if there's somebody in here that I said I'd put in the race. We'll see if they're in here today. Let's see. 6 Trey the Goat. All right, let's see how many that is right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got one more. One more. Bam. Clarith, you're going to be number 10. All right, you guys can quit typing in the chat. I'm going to scroll through and pick a couple individuals to throw into the duck race. So I get Nightbot out there. I'm going to throw Paul Rodriguez in the race. You have a spot. You're in here every single day. I'm going to throw Av White Boy in the race. You're in here not every day. If not every day. Who else? Oh, there he is. Frank, second. I'm going to throw you in the duck race. And Fit the Freedom. I'll throw you in the duck race. And I'm going to throw Raj in there. Raj never won anything. Ever. So we're going to throw Raj in the duck race. All right. We're going to see who's going to win. Let's see. This is going to be for a Lucid 50K Pro account. So let's get it all situated. We're going to do a 1-minute sprint real quick. See who's going to win this account. On your marks. Get set. Beep. Let's go. Remember, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit. Uh-oh. We got Donald Duck in the lead. Donald Duck in the lead. Quack, quack, quack. Let's go. Your duck looks very odd. Hey, you're studying. Emerald Green Waves, you're studying the layout. What's going on? What do you got to do to win? You got this. I believe in your duck. You just got to ride that wave right in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Uh-oh. I still hear him chirping it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Number 6 takes the win. Hey. Gray Horse. So what is your first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters of your email. All right, we're still pushing on up. Not quite at new highs yet for the session. Yes is getting close too. Gray Horse, first 3 letters of your email. So I can find you and send you an email and give you this account. You did better this time. You came in third. Hey, look, ES is right there at session highs. Got a little trade detector bubble. We're going to be able to push through it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, new session highs on the NASDAQ and on the S&P. But look how quick. Look at all those sellers that came in there. Big buyer push it right back down. NASDAQ barely hit session highs as well. All right, I got you. Gotcha. All right, let me go ahead and send you that email real quick. We're going to do a little 2FA just to make sure I got the right person. Because once I send the code out, it's gone. So I want to make sure we got it to the right person. Type in this number into the chat. I just emailed you. And then I'll make sure I send the code. Yeah, live 2FA. That way we make sure we're going to give away another Lucid account before we get off stream today as well. So. And don't forget, Lucid right now is 50% off. You guys want to check them out. It's a great time. So let's see. All right, perfect. All right, I'm going to send it to you. This is for a 50K Lucid Pro account. All right. So let me, I'm going to send it right back to the same person. Make sure. Bam. All right, just send your code out. Just send it out. So we got one account given away already this morning. Let's go. I likes it. Let's see. Are we going to be able to go back and run the highs again? That was the new session high up there. I do want to look at the ES real quick. Over here. Came right up to that call resistance. Bink. Missed it by just a couple ticks. We'll see if we can try to overtake that level or not. SpaceX IPO is not for the common folk. So let's see. Can they push? Hey, now I hope to hear back from you about how much money you made out of that account. You passed it and you're just raking in the dough. I'd love to see that. Love it. I would say that most people blow up the free accounts, but there have been quite a few of you guys now that have turned that into real cash. That makes me very happy. So let's see. Are they gonna be able to push it anymore? We have about an hour until the market opens. Yeah, all in or nothing. I mean, some people have YOLO'd it, but some people have really tried. I mean, the markets are hard. It's not easy to trade. you know, back in the day, if I really wish prop firms would have been around when I started, it would have been a lot cheaper tuition fee for me to learn how to trade. Nice. Yeah, I have an Apex account myself. I bought one. I've been forward testing one of my old strategies that I used to trade back when I used to work. But the problem was it's right around the open. And sometimes at work, that was our busy time. I couldn't always be at my computer. Look, go back up, try to come right back down. We do got the regression channel right now facing up. And I do want to, I'm going to go ahead and change the trade detector bubble size. That way I don't forget to do it once the market opens and get some false signals. Trade detector bubble size. We'll do 60 on the NASDAQ. And on the S&P, I'm going to move this to 125 on the bubble size. And try to run it that way. Yeah, I couldn't afford it without props. Yeah, I had to throw my own hard-earned money in there and be like, okay, that didn't work. Let's try again. It was a lot more challenging back in the day. I wouldn't say challenging, just the consequences were greater. You want $2,000 drawdown, you got to put $2,000 in your account. Iran's IRGC Navy transit through the Straits of Hormuz is ongoing with permits obtained in coordination with it. 26 vessels, including oil tankers, container ships, and other commercial vessels, transited the Strait of Hormuz in the past 24 hours in coordination with Iran. There are no resets when you started, yeah. That ES chart quit moving. Now it's still moving. I look right here at the ES. I'm like, oh man, it's not moving. My chart's freeze. You guys are in my head now. Bear shot again. Rinse and repeat. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So I started probably, let's see. I was probably 29, 28, somewhere in that ballpark. Hey, Roger Sam, I'm not on vacation. It was a joke. I mean, I am going on vacation, but so that is a picture of Costa Rica, or a video clip of Costa Rica. But I'm not really there. So Monday I was gone. My family wanted to spend some time with me before I go on my vacation. So Monday we took off, and I figured a lot of people would think I was traveling on that day. And so when I came back, I put that as a background for the stream. So just a little joke. I like to play games like that sometimes when I'm in a really good mood. So it was good times. All right, we're trying to push up. We got a trade detector bubble right there. S&P pushing up to new session highs as well. New session highs. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Can they push? Can they push it a little bit more? Or is that all they got? I don't know yet. It could change. I might end up getting an Airbnb over there and stay there for 3 to 6 months. Initially, I'm only going to go for a week. If the one Airbnb looks good, I may stay longer. So we'll see. My friend's going to take me there. We're going to check it out. I want to see it in person. See if it's worth it. Come on, let's go. Bottom half of workers should not pay taxes. Let's see if we're just going to keep pushing all day. Keep in mind, market's going to be juiced about NVIDIA. NVIDIA is up. We have the chips up. Let's actually go look at that. We can see that in pre-market. Let's go look. How's the heat map actually looking in pre-market? Pre-market. So you see NVIDIA up 1.65%. Apple's up. We do have Microsoft down in pre-market. Meta's up. Google up. Amazon up. Tesla up. Look, MU, Intel, ASML, AMD, Qualcomm, Clack. Cisco's not up a whole lot yet. SanDisk, ARM, Marvel. So we have a lot up here in pre-market. So we'll see how it all shakes out for the day. MCL. I've seen it was going down. How do I keep clicking the wrong thing? There we go. Look at MCL on the daily. Now, I'd be careful because we haven't broken the swing point here. If we break above, we'll call this 106.69. Without going below the swing point down here at about 84.41, then that sets up an ABC target to 116.15. Today, you can see we are getting a little rejection back down. So are we going to come back down towards this high volume area would be a question I have. Is the market going to be optimistic that we're going to get a deal done? We might. Yesterday was a D-shaped profile and it was an inside day, meaning the high was lower than the prior day's high. The low was higher than the prior day's low. So all of yesterday's range was contained within the prior day's range. And then now we've just kind of shot down here a little bit. You know, we see some projectiles start to fire off, start to be lobbed at each other. We're going to see this really start to rocket back up. But if they can come up with some type of deal, then I can see crude oil definitely going back down, not validating that ABC pattern on the way up. If you're looking for a retracement back up today, if you're looking to play this long, I really don't like it here yet. You see, we've already overshot that low right there. So really, we start getting back above 101.70. We can maybe look to see if we can regain this large candle body right here. So 102.52-ish. So still in last week's value area. We're going to see. You can see NASDAQ after hitting that all-time high, or I'm sorry, session high. It's coming down here a little bit. We already hit the center regression channel. Do we make it all the way down to the lower? We may. Where's VWAP at? Let's do a VWAP check real quick. Where's Mr. VWAP at? Yes. Look at this on the 5 minute too. We're pretty far away from that VWAP real quick. What about NASDAQ? Yeah, NQ is pretty far away from it. Last touch that we had with VWAP was really at 150 in the morning on the NASDAQ. S&P 500 is about 150 in the morning. Oh, here's some selling. YM, the last touch was about 420. YM's getting it here a little bit on the daily. YM still has not been making new all-time highs when the other indices were. We'll see if this is going to try to play catch up and take out those highs or not. Let's see RTY. RTY, last touch of VWAP was probably right around 150, 155, somewhere in that ballpark. So I do think at some point we do retest the VWAP today. Just do we go higher first, or are we starting the descent already? The VIX is saying like, come on in guys, water's warm. VIX is down 13 cents this morning, which you'd expect the VIX to be down with all the indices up. So, good looking out, Chris. Smash that like button if you guys haven't yet. When will you win? Sometime after now. That's my quick answer. Sometime after now, you'll win. When you stop losing. Oh, hey, Raj, that's a good one. I like that. I wish I would have came up with that one. Dang it. Dang it. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Bitcoin's up 683 at the moment. So let's see, are we going to flip this regression channel back down? We're coming up towards the lower regression channel on the ES. NASDAQ already broke below it. Is that all she wrote? Hey, Paul, VWAP on which instrument? Which instrument do you want to know for the VWAP? And I'll let you know. Trump at 11? Ooh, I didn't see that. Hey, thanks for sharing that. Trump at 11. I'm just trying to check that. Yeah. Yep. Trump at 11. What am I seeing the third deviation away from VWAP? The king speaks at 11. You know what's funny about that? When people talk about the kings, when they're protesting over in the UK about no kings and they have a king, that's pretty funny. Oh, NQ. Sorry, Paul. I just now saw it. So VWAP on the NQ right now is sitting down here at 28,989. Hey, Paul, did you know you can get the VWAP on your NinjaTrader? You might not have known that. Which I'm going to probably do a video about that coming up. The lows of the Asia, we may, but I'd like to see us bounce up a little bit more first. I want to see a little bit more upside testing before we sell off, but the market doesn't really care about what Mike thinks or wants. Oh, it makes you lag? That's weird. Let's see. King that can do whatever he wants. That's funny. He can definitely move the markets though. He is the king of moving markets. And that provides opportunity for us. Now, sometimes, we're in a trading, like, why didn't you just shut your beep beep mouth? But, at least, if the markets don't move, we have no opportunity in the markets. We need the markets to move to have wins and losses. The king of insider trading too. You know how awesome that would be if you knew, be like, all right, I'm gonna put on a big trade here. All right, it's not going out like I think. Let me go get that microphone out. All right, so we're gonna blast Iran back to the Stone Age. Wow, I'm in profit. I'm the best trader ever. Oh man, that's funny. He's trying to take over Nancy's title. He's like, Nancy had good returns. Watch mine. Trump's son is the best trader ever. So. No, I didn't hear it. I didn't see that. What did he ask Vance? Well, I see this NASDAQ's going to firm up here. I may take a shot if we do. Can we firm up right here? If so, I may take a little swing at it for a push back up. All hail the king. Oh. I need to get the king on speed dial, so every time I'm in a bad trade, hey, I need you to go tweet something out real quick, please. Let's see. Can we get a little push? We have the center regression channel up here at 152. See if I can front run that a little bit. More mature, more disciplined. Oh, that's funny. Oh, come on. Just give me a little bit more. I'm not even going for the whole thing. Just trying to get a trade off in pre-market. Come on. Just go up there and get it, you little scaredy cat. Yeah, Buff is like, I'm putting all my money in cash. The king's just moving the markets way too much nowadays. I'm out. I'm not going to play that. I'm going to get out, take the little win that I have. Just in case it wants to flip back down. Justice Department forever bars IRS from tax auditing Trump, his family, and his companies. Now that would be a pretty good get up there. Sir, you didn't pay no tax. Hey, you can't look at my records. You can't audit me. It is what it is. I made no money. Oh, man. That's kind of funny. So how many of you guys are in the Tradeify Grand Cup? How many of yous? Because right now I'm not going to be advancing. I'm at spot 1295. But I haven't really traded it all that much. Traded a little bit yesterday afternoon, but I'm right there. $7,800 so far. So you're in M&Q buys. Let's go. I have 0 resets. I did not reset any account. One day I traded from my phone on Monday. So yeah, top 1,000. I'm almost 295 spots out from moving up. So is what it is. So top spot right now, I think is at 30,000, something like that. And the most amount of contracts you can trade is 1 mini or 10 micros. So you're in the Ninja Trader Cup. Don't want to mess up your Ninja Trader. Got in at 138. Look, we never made that center regression channel. This could be set up a little ABC pattern down. Let's watch this real quick on the 1 minute. If we break below here, break below that swing point right there, we have an ABC pattern down. Target would be 29,100. Now, if we go back above here, we'd have to readjust that line up. But assuming this is going to be the turn point where we come back down, and that's a big assumption right now. The U.S. has intensified demands on Iran over nuclear program. No, hey, it should be 5 total, boss dog, 5 total. So, like in the Tradeify Cup, you can trade one contract, not one contract on the ES, one on the NASDAQ, one on the Dow, one on the Russell all at the same time. You can only have a total of one contract, one mini. Now you could trade 10 micros, so you could put, you know, maybe 2 on the Russell, 2 on the Dow, and then maybe do 3 on the ES and 3 on the NASDAQ. But I want to see if this pattern is going to validate or not. If so, I might try to target 29,100. I'm waiting to see if we're going to break below that swing point right there. If we don't break it, I'm not really worried about it. So $29,080. Oh man, is that where VWAP is? Now VWAP's down here at 28,990. Let's see a little push up first. See a little push. Yeah, but some of the people, I mean, they've put out some big numbers for one contract. Let's go look at it real quick. Again, Monday, I just traded from my phone a little bit, but you can see right there, 30,000, only one contract, 28,000, 28,000, 26. So they've had some good moves. Let's just go see let's go see top 1,000 qualify. Let's just go see. I'm kind of curious. Let's go to page. Dang it. Oh, I can type it in. There we go. Let's go to page 10. All right, it's gonna be page 20. Let's see what page 20 is. See what you have to make. So the top 1,000 advance. So let's see, where's the 1,000? So you have to be up over 9,100 bucks at this time. And there's still today, tomorrow, and Friday. So 9,100. Does some of the people start dropping off or what? What did I say I was at? 7,000? Yeah. I think I'm at 7,000. Yeah, I'm at 7,800. So about $1,300 off. But oh, nice. Nice. Hey, it used to be funny. So I used to race motocross. You see all the little kids go out there. It looks like a bunch of bobbleheads on the motocross track. You see the heads just bobbling around. When you reach those numbers, you'll be traveling around the world. Yeah, it's pretty impressive for one contract. They're slinging it out there pretty good. $30,000 only being able to trade one contract, and we're only 2.5 days in. Today's not even done. So they've had two full trading days, actually Sunday night. So they had Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, and Tuesday night. We haven't traded Wednesday yet. I'm kind of curious to see what the top position is going to come in at. So Yeah, piston head. Drawdown's $2,500. But it's end of the day. I haven't even logged into TradeBait to see how much do I get. I don't know if it locks after 2,500 or if that's what you get the whole time. I don't even know. Yeah, hey Raj, it's 30,000, but yeah, that's pretty impressive. That's my thoughts. So let's see if we still have a potential this could turn into an ABC pattern down. 29,100 would be the target down here. Do we get down there? We may. No, hey, I don't know that you can see their trades. I don't think so. I haven't really poked around that much. But they're definitely doing something. I have to assume that they are. It's an assumption that they're trading the NASDAQ. I've only traded the ES. Only because the NASDAQ has more movement. Let's see if we're going to break this down here. Are we going to break it? Might look for a little short here. All right, we did break below there. So now I want to see, can we get a retracement back to the EMAs? And then I'm going to look to target 29,100. You're back for more. What's up, Neo? Good morning. Hey, you can only full port with one lot. Or they have to be DCAing with micros. But you can only get 10 micros. So that's pretty impressive. I mean, if you look at the NASDAQ, though, yesterday NASDAQ had a range of 372. If you bought down here and just, oh, that's today. Yesterday, 525 point range. So if you just got it and held it, that's a big chunk of the move. We gotta bounce back into EMAs before I'll get short. I'm hoping we don't come too close to this target before giving me a shot to enter. I really want to take it. I'm not willing just to jump into this. Now if we were to open right here right now, that'd be pretty good. Yeah, hey Brad, I agree. That's impressive. 30K with one mic with one mini. Very impressive. But I wish I would have been tracking the leaderboard to see who's in number one, see if they stay up there or do they fall off. And there's three, you can reset the account 3 times. I've not done any resets, nor will I. So you can reset it 3 times. Dog it. We're gonna go all the way down to the target. I'm not gonna get a shot to get in. Retired in 300 countries. Yeah, look, just didn't give me a shot to get in. That stinks. Look, we had the trade detector bubbles and everything right up here at the session highs. Came down, put in a lower high, got the ABC target. But again, once we started breaking this swing point, I was just looking for a retracement back towards the EMAs over here on this chart. I was going to jump on it, but now we're coming into being short-term oversold. See the green background. So, is what it is. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. So we get the 200 likes before the opening bell, which we have about 30 minutes. We have about 270 something people in here. So if everybody hit that like button, we have no problem getting there. All right, there we go. Target hit. Congrats to anybody that played it. I was waiting for a pullback back up, which we did not get. So congrats to anybody that played that. I did not. So too bad, too sad. Neo says he's long. I wonder what we're going to do here at the open. Oh, we forgot to do the poll. Let's do that real quick. Dang it. All right, we're going to get a pop or drop at the open. And what we mean by that is the first 1 minute candle. Is it going to be up or will it be down? Down, down, down. Let's see. Any news coming out? I don't see any news causing the move. Hmm. 123 would be TP. Oh man, let's hope you get it. We saw the regression channel facing up for the time being, sloping upward. The more time we spend down here, the more this is going to flatten out and maybe even turn back down. Remember, the VWAP is substantially lower than where we're currently at. So with NVIDIA's earnings coming out today, can they Hey, what's up, Jesse? Good morning. What did you miss? You just missed the market put in session highs and came on down, smashed our ABC target to the downside. Yeah, NVIDIA will make or break. I agree. We looked in pre-market. NVIDIA's up, MU up, SanDisk up, Intel up, NVIDIA's up. Like, hey, Rapid, we already did one duck race. But yeah, we're doing another one. We're doing two today. We already did one. Already gave out the account and everything. So good, good, good. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, that's weird. Hey, because only one of them were down earlier. Let's go look. So we looked out here just a bit ago, pre-market. Oh, it's post-market. All right, pre-market. All we had down was either, I think it was Microsoft that was down. Google was up, Meta was up, which it is now. So Microsoft's down, Google and Apple are down. They were all green earlier, but look over here. MU up big, 5%, Intel up 4.8%, ASML down, Clack down, Qualcomm, AMD, not down, I mean up. AMD up. All these are up really, really big over here. I want to go look at Cisco real quick. Cisco's maybe starting to get into this gap a little bit. Maybe. I used to trade the Dow a couple times a week. I haven't traded it in a hot minute, but I have. The VIX right now is down a whopping 6 cents with all the markets being up. Remember at 2 o'clock, we had the Fed minutes. I doubt it's usually just a little blip, but we do want to be mindful of that. Also, Trump could be speaking at 11 today, 11 a.m. And other than that, we don't really have any other news this morning. Now, let's go look at some of these key levels. Now that the overnight levels are going to be set, let's go look. We'll start off with the NASDAQ. What do we have over here? We drew out the fib retracement a little bit earlier on the stream, but basically started right here at the high, grabbed the retracement from the high all the way down here to the low. And usually around the 38% retracement, we'll catch a little bit of slack. Well, we already have a little bit of headwind, pull back, a little bit of headwind. Now the question is, can we work towards the 50 or even 61.8 fib level? This is where I'd be watching to see, can we get a rally back up towards that area? That might be a good spot to maybe smack it back down. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. Now we look at the 30-minute chart. What do we have over here? All right, 30-minute chart. We've already had a volume profile rotation on the way up. Right here, last night we were below value area low. We rotated through the whole entire profile, and we're even currently above value area high from the prior day at 29,071.5. So as long as we stay above that, the path to least resistance would be higher. And hopefully you guys see the pattern as well. Do you guys see the other pattern on this chart? There's another pattern right up in this area. Hopefully your eyes were able to spot it. But we have an A to B equals C to D pattern. All right, so if you notice, we've already taken out the B point right over here. So the target on that is really 29,259. So if we go back over here and look, 259. That would bring us a little bit above the 50% retracement. So now where this pattern would be invalidated, it doesn't matter if we go up, down, all around up in this area. As long as we stay above 28,794, then the pattern could still be intact. And maybe it doesn't play out till tomorrow. Maybe it doesn't play out till after NVIDIA's earnings. But up here would be the target for that pattern at 259. Now, if you're looking for some quicker intraday moves, if we get back below value area high at 29,079, I wouldn't mind targeting this high volume spike within this minus development area of the profile, which also correlates with the swing point right up here, right up in that area. So 29,023. Next one would be down here at 28,971. Then the point of control, which is right near the point of control from the prior day as well. So right around 913, and then value area low, then look for the market to come all the way down, breaking the Asia session low, then challenging yesterday's low as well. Now, I would still prefer to see the ABC target to the upside taken out first before any of that downside targets we go after that. But that's just me. So we'll see how all that shakes out. But that's what I would prefer to see. Again, the market doesn't care about Mike's feelings, what Mike wants to see. The market's going to do what the market's going to do. Now, if we look over here on the S&P, what do we have? Actually, before we look at the S&P real quick, let's do this. If we look at the GEX levels real quick, we have call resistance right here, right around 29,110. If we can hold above that, we can hold above it, then I really like that 250 area, which is GEX 1. And that 250 area is right around that ABC pattern completion as well. So we have a high gamma level there, and we have the ABC pattern completing just above that zone. I like it. I like it a lot. So, all right, now we look at the S&P. S&P has not quite hit the 38% retracement yet. So 38% retracement is going to be at 25. The high today has been what? Has been 16 and a quarter. So we'll see. We'll see if we can make it up there or not. Now, if we look at the 30-minute volume profiles, what do we have over here? We had a complete volume profile rotation up. Last night, we spiked below value area low, ran up, almost hit value area high, came back down, spiked value area low again. Then we got the full volume profile rotation on the way up. So as long as we stay above 94.5, from a daily perspective, the path to least resistance is higher. But look what we have right where yesterday's value area high is. We kind of have a little minus development area within this profile. You can see the valley right here. So don't be surprised if we do dip down in there. And then we'll see if we can get a rejection off that area to go ahead and move up towards that 25 price point. We'll have to wait and see. It's kind of what I'm watching out for this morning. Now, if we look at the gamma levels over here, we had call resistance right around 74.15. So far, the market went up there and said, boom, reject right back down. If we can get above that area, watch the GEX 2 level at 74.25, which is also right where that 38% retracement is. So I like it. I like it a lot. We'll see how all that's going to shake out. Now, if we look at the overnight volume profile levels, we can clearly see we are above value area high from the overnight, 73.90 and a quarter. Point of control, 73.78.75. And then value area low down here at 73.59 and a quarter. Now, I do think that we'll probably hit this 90 sometime this morning. The question is, do we hit 25 first? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Wait and see. What's it going to be? Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. Polls in the chat. Right now, it looks like 72% of you guys are saying pop. So we'll see. Are you going to be right? You may be. You may be. Now, we do have some liquidity down here on the ES as well. 73.80. Decent amount of liquidity. But then above us, 74.20, 74.35. So let's see what we do. What does the market decide to do? The $1 million question. We have the 20-year bond auction today as well. You know, that could actually move the market. It's bond auction at 1 o'clock. Speaking of bonds, what are the yields doing this morning? I'm assuming they're down. Yeah, 10-year yield down here a little bit. 30 years down. All the bond yields are down. So that's favorable for the bulls. VIX is down a whopping 6 cents at the moment. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They were able to flip the regression channel. So look at the angle of the regression channel now. Now it's sloping downward. Do we go back and run these lows right here? Maybe go all the way down towards the VWAP. We might. VWAP is down there quite a ways. If we go look at VWAP real quick in Q. Look, VWAP's still all the way down here at 997. So that's about 100 points lower. Do we get a quick flush down there and then pop it back up, or do we just keep going down if we get down there? Bar speaks. Let's see what Bar's gonna have to say today. Can they push? We're going lower here. Selling will gain momentum. All right, Raj, I hope we go up a little bit more first. I want to see the pop before the drop. I know the market doesn't care about my feelings. Let's see the pop so then I can smack it short. And we'll see. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. See if we can get 200 likes before the opening bell. We have about 17 minutes. We need about 19 more likes. So we have enough people in here. If everybody push that like button to get us over there. Your Ninja update. Oh man, when did Ninja update for you? Major execution slower. That doesn't give me the warm fuzzies. Yesterday. Oh. I usually wait till the .1 version comes out. Yeah, smash that like button. We only need 6 more likes. Break even set at 100. Let's see. Are they going to push it? Push it. But again, so far for me in pre-market, only one trade. One trade so far this morning. One trade, one win. Let's go. You hit it 7 times. Nice. Nice. All right. Congrats, you guys. Got us over the 200 like mark before the opening bell. Very good. Very good. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. one way or the other. We'll see if we keep going down. Right now, the regression channel is sloping downward on the NASDAQ and on the ES. So we have the opening bell here in about 15 minutes. Neo says, I'm out. Again, we already gave away one Lucid account here in pre-market. We're going to do another duck race before I jump off the stream this afternoon, or late morning. So before lunch, there we go. Before's lunch. No, I don't have a daily goal. I just try to get green in the funded accounts. Hey, we do have oil down $2.72. So oil is still going down. Let's go check on oil real quick. Yeah, it's not at the lows, but MACD looks like it's starting to get a little bit tired down here. We'll see if it starts flattening out or not. Hey, Norman, good morning. You see we're starting to chop around down here. We're not really getting any more follow through to the downside yet. And we're working on bar number 9. Working on bar number 9 on the 1 minute. What about the ES? ES is not yet. So I'm probably not going to place any more trades until the opening bell. I've only placed one trade in pre-market. Yeah, 20-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. We have the Fed minutes coming out at 2 o'clock and NVIDIA earnings after the bell. So we have some potential. Look at that delta right there. That big delta spike grew before the market started going down. I don't know if you guys caught that or not. Big. So we'll see, do we get that pop or do we get the drop at the open? What's it going to be? What's it going to be? We shall see. Is the market coming all the way down to VWAP? We rallied up basically from what, 11, 12 o'clock last night. We've been rallying up. Are we going to try to retrace some of this move? You can see that minus development area we talked about just a little bit ago. More on the ES. Right up in this area. I'm going to highlight this area right there. We're really not that far from it at the moment. Do we come down there and flush, or do we come down there and then bounce back out of it? So we'll have to wait and see. Hey, Mesa Exchange, good morning. Let's see. We get the 9 count over here on the NASDAQ. Again, keep in mind that regression channel is sloping downward. Crude oil inventory numbers at 10:30. Yeah, I forgot about that. I'm personally not going to be trading crude oil, so it's not that big of a deal for me. But I'll watch it. I did trade crude oil a couple times during this whole Iran-US conflict. So let's go ahead and bring this over real quick. Let me... So if we look, we do have the market on open orders. Now, NASDAQ doesn't normally move until we get about 5 minutes in. 5 minutes before the opening bell, we'll start seeing this one move. So here about 925. But right now the S&P has 115 million to the sell side. Dow's about 53 million to the sell side. I could drop, but I mean, I think, you know, what goes on in Iran is going to be a bigger deal. Do we come up with a peace deal or not? I think that's more important than the inventory numbers, because Iran's having a bigger impact on oil than anything else at the moment. They're trying to rip it back up. You hear them chirping it. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp. The chirp noise is market pulse. It's correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. If you hear it chirping, it's aggressive buyers. If you hear it knocking, it'll be aggressive sellers. So. I don't know where that market pulse meter's at. I think this is covering it up here at the moment. So let's see. They spread the war far out of the region. Yeah, you know, talking. What they'll actually do are two different things. They're not going to say, well, if Israel and the U.S. attack us, we're just going to lay down and give up. They're going to try to make it seem it'll be worse than what it will be. That way to try to deter any future attacks. But Ukraine's been giving it to Russia pretty much recently too. I don't know if you guys have seen that. I'm really surprised. I thought Russia would just wipe Ukraine off the map when the whole conflict started. The Ukrainians have put up quite a fight. All right, here in about, I'm going to shut down the poll once this clock gets to about 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the opening bell. I'll go ahead and shut her on down. Yeah, David and Goliath. Again, we have upper targets. Let's see if we can go up there and get it. Can they rally it? If the markets open up where we are right now, we're going to have gaps in all the indices to the upside. So again, it's not too late to vote. You got about a minute left before I shut down the poll. Let's see. Not size of the dog, but the size of the fight in the dog. Drop for balance. I'd like to see a big spike up at the open and then give it up. Big spike up, take out the highs that we've had already, and then give it up. All right, NASDAQ's going to start moving here in just a few moments in terms of the market on open orders. Let's see how it all shakes out. All these are going to change here in just a moment. All right, right now it looks like what, 35 million sell side on the NASDAQ, 154 million on the S&P. I'm going to go ahead and close out the poll. Looks like the pops are going to win it. Let's see what the final total was. 62% say we are going to pop. 38% say we drop at the open. All right, let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get it. What's it gonna be? Quick dip the VWAP and then bounce. We may. VWAP's down there, what, 100 points lower. So we very well could see that happening. I'm going to take off the marker on open orders here in about a minute. We get about 3 minutes to the bell. Ah, stupid market. Stupid market. Let's see. Hey, Geo Trades, good morning. Hi, Trades, good morning. Quick little knee jerk back down. So I have global, but I bought lifetime. So I have lifetime global. If you guys want to check out, you can use the link in the description box down below. Save 20% off of Bookmap. All right, so look, S&P 181 million sell side, NASDAQ 33 million, Dow 76 million to the sell side. All right, let me move this back over here. Get ready for the opening bell. Let's get ready for the fireworks to begin. Let's go look at, we're going to do one final look at VWAP real quick. Just again, adhere. So look at the ES. VWAP is all the way down here at 88. That's about 12 points lower. On the NASDAQ, VWAP is all the way down here at about 29,001. It's about 96 points lower. YM. VWAP is at 496. About 150 points lower. In RTY. About 10 points lower. So we do have the NASDAQ coming down here at the moment. Coming down, just took out that recent low right there. Same thing with the ES. ES coming right down, trying to take out that low. I just took it out. Let's see. We have roughly a minute and 45 seconds left. Digital Plus. I think the Digital Plus only does currents, only does Bitcoin and stuff, I think. I have to go look. I'll take a look at that after the open. You hope it's live accounts? Well, Apex has already been moving people live. Apex has been moving people to live. All right, we have 1 minute. 1 minute until the opening bell. Yeah, we're coming down to VWAP already. We're gonna get VWAP before the opening bell. You son of a guns. You jokers. Gosh darn it. I want to be able to trade it. We have crude oil down $2.16. All right, we got about 30 seconds till the open. No, I use Mentor Q for my GEX levels. All right, got about 10 seconds. Let's get it. What's it gonna be? Do we pop or do we drop? We're looking at the first 1 minute candle. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open. Let's see how that 1 minute candle closes. Do the pops get it right or did the drop? Oh, wow. We're popping right now at the moment. Let's see if we can hold it or not. Does it close out green or not? We shall see. We shall see. Nice little burst up right at the open. Are they gonna be able to close the candle green though? We got about 30 seconds left. S&P is down. We got some sell detector bubbles down there on the S&P. Hey, look where the S&P came to too. Right in that zone that we talked about in pre-market. All right, NASDAQ's trying to rip. All right, we got about 10 seconds. And it looks like the pops are going to win it. So 62% looks like was correct today. Let's see. Do they push? Do they push? Do they push? Is that all the push they got? Is that all the fight they got? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. NASDAQ, nor did the ES hit the VWAP yet. Neither of them hit it. Oh, NASDAQ's having a little bit of a hard time here. NASDAQ's having a hard time staying above that candle. Let's see if we start pushing again. Dow's down. Dow's down 4 points. Dow gave it up. Woof. Let's go look at that real quick. There's RTY. RTY went right down to the VWAP. We look at Mr. Dow Jones. Dow Jones slicing lower. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Dow Jones down 38 now. Was up quite a bit. So how the NASDAQ trying to go? NASDAQ's having a hard time though, getting any momentum lift with it. S&P is going lower, trying to get down the VWAP as well. So ES is right down there at VWAP, right down there by it. All right, if you guys remember yesterday, you guys probably remember, those of you who've been on stream know I was forward testing a strategy I used to trade. Here's day 2 on the Apex account. I'm only trading this setup in the Apex. This is my complete forward testing with a prop account. So another $385 today. So 2 days. I'm not trading that account anymore. That's it. Just that one trade around the open. Other than that, I'm not interested. So yes, hit the VWAP. What about NQ? Let's see how far away the NQ is real quick. Oops. NQ, where are you at? All right, NQ is trying to come back up here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at the VIX. The VIX is up 6 cents at the moment. Now, is that all she wrote? And we're going to go ahead and rally back up. We hit the VWAP basically on the ES, the Dow, the Russell. The NASDAQ did not yet, though. 29,104 is key for the NASDAQ. See, are we going to go back down there and get it? Let's see. 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 Can they push it? We're way above the upper regression channel here at the moment. We'll see if we can get back down in the regression channel. Start to flip this regression channel and then maybe look for longs a little bit higher. Again, we talked about this in pre-market. You know, do we work our way towards that 50% level retracement? See, we're trying to come back in that regression channel at the moment. Can we get it? Give him a dooze it. Wow, Dow's down 120 at the moment. Short term, we got to be oversold. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Do they smack it on down? So we got the ES way below the VWAP at the moment. Let's go look at this. Mr. NQ. NQ trying to make its way towards the VWAP. Are we going to get it? Trump yapping. Did I miss some news? Fantastic economic numbers yesterday. So fantastic, the markets go down. I thought Trump wasn't going to be speaking until 11. They lied to us. Got that drop. Nice. Good deal. All right, we are below the lower regression channel now. Yeah, way above it, all the way back down. 29,000 retest might be in the cards. We might be about to get it. Yeah, short at 144. Nice. Nice. Very good, very good. One more push higher. Well, let's see if we get it. Yeah, I'm trying to hold off a little bit. I've only had one trade this morning, and that was in pre-market. I see if we're gonna hit this VWAP. We're almost there on the NASDAQ. We're almost there. All the other indices already hit the VWAP. Russell hit it, trying to reject back up. ES sliced through it a little bit. And YM. Yeah, YM went way below it. So we'll see if that NASDAQ can get it as well. Not there yet. Trying to turn already, so. Let's see, let's see. Target hit, past one Lucid at 1 TP. 1 TPT, nice. Congrats on that. Good deal. Oh, good deal, Paul. So Paul just sent in a report card real quick. Let's go check that out. Paul, 715, one account, 362 and $45. Nice. Good deal, good deal. Good job, Paul. Let's see, let's see, let's see. He'll do whatever he wants him to. Yeah, I see that now. Trump doesn't specify when talking with Taiwan what happened. So I didn't know Trump was speaking already this morning. We weren't anticipating that until about 11. Oh, well. Oh, NASDAQ's right there at the VWAP. Let's see, let's see, let's see. NASDAQ basically hit the VWAP. Now let's go check on all the ETFs. All right, all the ETFs from this morning. See, Dow, boom, came down, instantly filled the gap. SPY has not filled the gap yet. Hughes has not filled the gap yet. Russell 2000 has not filled the gap yet. So only the Dow has filled the gap. That's 150K with that 45. Nice. Hey, good job on that one, Paul. So RSP is basically flat. It's up. It's flat, the up or down 2 cents. We have the SPY up 0.16. See NVIDIA real quick. NVIDIA gapped up, came right back down. Look over here at the heat map. Let's look right here. So NVIDIA up, Apple up, Google up, Meta and Microsoft are down. Amazon and Tesla are both up as well. So Intel's up 5.46%. We have the NASDAQ screaming back up. Screaming back up. Neo says, I'm longing. I do think we want to do some more upside testing still, but we'll see. Let's go look over at Bookmap. What do we have over here on Bookmap? Anything telling us any key levels? I don't see any major liquidity. We have a little bit here at 175. It's not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. But look, all the way back up. Easy down, easy right back up. Came down to hit the VWAP and says, all right, see you guys later. I'm out of here. So let's see. I think it's good that China's president met with Russia. All right. Why would that be good? Oh, I got another report card in. You guys are killing it this morning. Let's see. Let's see. Oh man, Paul's killing it. Paul is killing it. Let's go see. Yeah, Paul's up about 475-ish across most accounts. Grand total $8,400. Nice. Hey, good day on that one, Paul. Good deal. Nice. Time for breakfast burrito. Oh man, you're gonna make me hungry already. All right, I think about taking a long here. Thinking about it. Maybe not. Good thing I thought. I still kind of want to go long. I still kind of like it. All right. That was kind of garbage. Didn't get a chance to move my target, but whatever. I'll take it. Quick little scalp. I want to see if we can overthrow this regression channel right here. Can we overthrow it and start to get this flattened out a little bit more? Because I really want to try to target, oops, right here towards that 50% retracement. Right there and right near that GEX 1 level, 250. So kind of up in here is what I'm hoping for. Now, can we build an ABC pattern or something to get us up there? Hopefully. Oh man, got another report card. Let's go see. You guys are killing it this morning. That's why that TradeFi cup's so high. Everybody's killing it. Where'd this go? There we go. All right, there's Jesse's report card. Let's see. Looks like all 5 accounts are passed. All 5 Take Profit Trader accounts are now going to be pro accounts. Nice. Good job on that one, Jesse. 5 TPT accounts. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I got to pay attention. I want to go long here. Dog it. So I said I want to go long here. They took off. So, oh, he's gonna get long. We got to go without him. We can't let him get in. Those jokers. So far today, only 2 trades. One in pre-market. Wow, NASDAQ's right here near session highs. Look. Are we gonna run all the way to that 250 price point? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Push it. Push. Dow's only down 4 points at the moment. Again, NVIDIA should be able to hype this market up a little bit. You would think with their earnings coming out, NVIDIA now up 0.61. But we'll see. Yeah, I want to see if we can, if I can find a way to get long. Find a way to get long, push back up through the session highs. I guess I could with micros, huh? How far away from that high are we? Not enough. I have to shoot all the way for that 250. Let's look at this opening range real quick. Opening range low to high. 130 points. We're getting ready to bust it now too. Son of a... Just hesitated on pulling the trigger. Let's see if we can go ahead and push to the high of the day. There we go. Quick little push to the high of the day. Short term, we are starting to get overbought. You can see the red background. Push, 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 push. That was a pretty good little rip. Pulled it off. Get everybody thinking, oh, we're going to go back down. Then whoop, right back up. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's see if we're going to make it that GEX 1. Are we going to be able to make it up there? I'm kind of curious on the ES. ES came right back down to HVL level. Trying to reject back up. Can we overtake that call resistance level right up here? Can we get above it? We're going to find out. 10 micros. Nice. Hey, Sam, good job on that one. Wow. Nice. Good deal. I can see we had some stops being hit over here as well. 440 contracts. Stopped out another 152. We got some stops being run up there near the highs. I don't see the big sellers though. The big iceberg orders to the sell side. Just don't see it yet. See if we can pull back a little bit into this range. Get back into the regression channel, then look for another pop back up through the session highs. Done for the day. Limit 1470. Nice. Nice. Good deal. Good deal. Those days feel nice. Those days are very, very welcomed. All right, let's see. Are we going to push it back? Down. We did have a 9 count up there at the highs. We're coming back into the range, which I was hoping for. Now, do we push back out again? So I'm looking for a way to get long for a push back up. Looking for a way to get long to push back up. So I'd like to see this. I see EMA starting to firm up here a little bit on the Renko chart. And then we'll see. Wow, we're getting it to the downside now. Dow's only up 12 points, 9 points. SP's up 19. Dog it. I couldn't even move my limit quick enough. I got long and it was in and out before I could even move my limit. That stinks. And look, it keeps going up too. You joker. I want to see if we can go back up, take out the highs. Again, I'm looking for around that 250 strike price. We have the GEX 1 right up there. We have the X1 right up here, right around 250. And we look at the 30-minute, or I'm sorry, 4-hour chart. We have the 50% retracement. What, at 226? So 250 is kind of in between the 50 and 61.8 fib level. Let's see if we can get up here. So maybe 226 will be the next target. Then the 250 strike price. Big trade sell detector bubble up there. Gonna buy one right here. And they're pushing it right back down. Oh, good job with that one, Jesse. Nice. That was back down. It smacked. That's a pretty good move down. Look right here on the NASDAQ from this high right down here to the low. That's 120 points in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Each one of these candles are 1 minute. So less than 5 minutes, 120 points. That's a pretty quick move. Just need a flip tomorrow. Nice. Do I dare? I want to hit the buy button again. I want to hit the buy button again. Oh, that was horrible, Phil. That was a horrible, Phil. I hit that button way lower. That was horrible. Horrible. It's twice in a row now. There we go. So you can just go ahead and push on up there. Please and thank you. Come on. Come on. Ooh, short term, we're overbought. I'm going to get out. There we go. I'm out of that one. Probably really need a little bit bigger stop loss in this volatile market. The way it's wicking up and down. So I had the right idea of that first one, though. They kind of, they gave me a real horrible bill on that one. That was not good. Not good. But it worked out okay. Still put me back at session highs after those 3 trades. 140 is your TPN. 140, 140. Nice. Micros. Yeah. Hey, Paul, that would be a smart choice. I never claimed to be smart, though. Why do it the sensible way? We're having a hard time. There's your 5th day. Yeah, hey, so you won't be able to do the verification until after tonight. Wait till after tonight, after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Then you should be able to do the verification. $50 points, 3-minute holds. Nice. 50 points, 3-minute holds. All right, right back down. NASDAQ coming all the way back down. Man, we're going to do the whole orb back down. We may. Oh, hey, Paul, that was a good one. Wow. So here's one of Paul's trades. Look at it. Look at it. You got in at 104 and got out at 85. Hey, Paul, is that micros? I'm assuming that's micros. For NASDAQ, that'd be, for NQ, that'd be pretty sick. Laser show. Got that fall drop. Nice. 5 contracts. Good job on that one, Raj. Good deal. Good deal. Don't forget, Trump could be speaking at 11-ish, maybe. All right, we're coming down, trying to take out this orb low. The NASDAQ not going to give me my target I want up there. That is a very real possibility. Hope that's not going to be true. We are at the lower regression channel, so not a bad location for a long. Doesn't mean it'll work out. I kind of don't mind it though. So we can get a nice little pop. No, pop up, not down. Pop up a little bit more. Please and thank you. I'm not liking how this is dancing around here. It's making me a little bit nervous. I don't like it. I don't like the way it's moving. I'm gonna get out. I don't like it. I wanted a cleaner move. Watch it go. It's gonna get a clean move up now that I'm out. You joker. You joker. That's all right though. That's all right. Still green. I could have got more out of it, but it is what it is. 15-minute chart looks bipolar. Like, oh, we're going up. No, we're going back down. No, we're going up. Nah, we're coming back down. Let's see what T-Coop just sent. Let's see. T-Coop SPX chart. Let's go looky. Let's see. T-Coop's chart. Expected low. Wow, bounced right off that. Expected high, 73.99. Hey, T-Coop, what day was this from? Oh, that's SPX. That's SPX. I was like, futures already been over that price. Let's go look at that. 73.99. We are gonna hit. We got a little bit higher to go, maybe. VIX is down 18 cents at the moment. I don't think I've seen the gamma chart. Hold on. Hey, T-Coop, I didn't see the gamma chart. Only seen that one chart. Neo's adding more longs. We did get a 9 count down here. The regression channel is kind of flattening out here a little bit. It's kind of flattening out here just a wee little bit. Doesn't want to stay below it. Oh, you said, oh, I didn't see it earlier. Dang it. Oh, I see it now. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? Let's go look at T-Coop's gamma chart. So 73.75 and 73.95. 75 and 95. All right. 75.95. 75.95. 75 is about right there. 95. We still have not hit 95 yet. We could be on our way there though. Let's see if we get there. Good looking out. Smash that like button, guys and gals. Like button doesn't bite too hard. you're having losing trades, it's probably because you didn't hit that like button. See the 9 count right there. We're trying to push up off of it. You know, I still want to see that 250-ish area hit. 220 and 250. Crude oil right now is only down $1.81. I say only because it was down $2 and something earlier. Let's see. Push. Are they gonna push it? Push it real good. Get it. Nasty 30-minute candles. Yeah, they're whipping it pretty good today. Whip up, right back down. Back down, right back up. It'll slow down here in a little bit. We got a 30-minute candle. Yeah, big wick on the top, big wick on the bottom. Same with the ES, big candle of indecision. We wicked up, we wicked down. So you say sell? Yeah, maybe. I still like to see those upper levels hit first before we sell off. Doesn't mean it'll happen. Well, look on the liquidity. We have a little bit of liquidity down here on the ES, 73.80. Then we have some liquidity above us though too. So 10, 15, and 20. But we're coming down at the moment. This kind of chop always kills you. Normally in this kind of chop, I do decent. I do fairly well most of the time. Come on, just needs to push it. Push it one way or the other. Can they do it? I might be heading back down. So we're going all the way back down to this orb low down here. Are we gonna make it down to the orb low? I don't know. It's not that I want to trade here in the area of the chart. I'll wait. Hurry up and wait. Good job. Should I add some longs? I want to see a little bit more conviction that the market wants to go up before going long. I just don't see it yet. We could bounce. We do have a case of here's a low, higher low, maybe a higher low over here. But yeah, she wants it from both sides. Oh man. Dow's down 38. Again, we're just chopping. Chopping. So I don't have to do anything. Just hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait till we get out of this little zone. Once we get out, then I'll smack it. It's not loyal. Oh man, are we gonna get it? Every time I start thinking we're getting ready to get a big break, it whoop right back up. Here, this is the bubble. Don't worry about it because it's driving investments. Yeah, don't worry about the bubble. I just keep piling money in. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? I'm kind of curious over here. Look, SP is coming back up to that 930 low. I mean, look, as we're coming down, look at this delta. We have a lot of positive delta on this move down. Somebody's not telling the truth here. Kind of sneaky suspicion. Could be the seller's telling a little fib here. Come on, just break up. Just go up. Dow's down 69 now. Just gonna take it. I don't like that wick down right there when it wicked right down here. Had me a little bit nervous. I was thinking about moving my stop to break even, but I was like, with all this whipping around, it's just gonna stop me out. So I'd rather take a little bit of green than let it wick me out for break even. And look, it would have got me back out for break even probably. Let's just see. No, it would have been darn close. I was in at 73 something. That would have been close to get me out. So ZN is headed down. Let's go look at the yields real quick. Yields, 10 year. 10 years trying to go up a little bit. Still down for the day. 30 years trying to go up. It's out of control. That could be crazy. The VIX, not a whole lot going on there. Down 14 cents. We're going down to 29K even. We may. All we gotta do is overthrow that opening range low by a little bit. We'll be there. We'll be there. Let's see. Hurry up and wait. I'm kind of curious to see what NVIDIA is going to do after the bell. Short on Sim, going to try to hold all the way to there. Hey, BK, good morning. Oh, today's not too bad, BK. 2 days ago, it was a little bit warmer. It's only in the low 80s right now. So we do have the Dow down 82 points at the moment. Dow's the only one of the 4 indices in the red. We got a lot of delta being built up right here on the NASDAQ. We're probably gonna get a little pullback before too long. 90 is a hot warm line for you. Oh, there goes the pullback. Let's see. Hey, look, we have a case of here's a high, lower high, maybe a lower high here again. But we also have here's a low, higher low, and to be determined on this low right here. Is it going to go lower than that low right there? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Low 90s warm, above 90s hot. So the hottest it ever got on my toolbox that I saw, you see I have a thermometer there on it, 116 degrees. Full question. NVIDIA pop or drop after earnings? Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. NVIDIA pop or drop after earnings. What do you guys think? I just put the poll in the chat. Let's see what the majority believe. Could Israel run for prime minister? That's funny. All right, we're trying to come down again. Dow's down 104. Oh boy. Where's NVIDIA at right now at the moment? I'm curious. NVIDIA is up 1%. Look at the heat map. So we have NVIDIA up, Apple up. So Microsoft, Meta, Google all red. Netflix red, Intuit red, Adobe red. Wow, look at Intel. Intel's up almost 10%. Woo. Intel's cooking again. Jeez. Intel on the move up. Crude oil is only down 145 now. Uh-oh. We're going to get all the indices in the red. Let's see. Let's see. Intel's the new gold. I don't know. We might be trying to bounce here. Look around the ES. We're starting to get some absorption here. See the big bubble, but also 906. They're trying to absorb that there. Does it get a pop? Oh, my chart's over to the right hand side. Sorry, I just had to hit the button over. We almost got Jesse's 29,000 even. Hey, hola, what's up? Diego. Let's go. So now we have the ES in the red. Dow and ES are red. ES down 2 points. 2 ticks. I'm sorry, 2 ticks. Man, they're getting it pretty good. Pretty good. So we're getting ready to get a pullback. Look at that delta. I participated with 0 of it. 0. So now let's see. Do we get another rotation up off that opening range low? I don't know. I don't know that I want to even take a shot here yet. Oh, like, oh, Mike's not going to get it. All right, let's go up. Hey, so look, the absorption on the ES, we went a little bit lower below it. Now trying to get a little lift. Dang it. Bought 3 micros. Yeah, I wish I would have, but oh well. Too bad, too sad. I almost just went long there. Hey, ES is back green. Oh, this market is crazy. Doesn't know what it wants. Do I want to go down? Do I want to go up? Yeah, definitely bipolar. Ooh, I almost just went long. I almost went long right here. Trying to see if we're going to bounce back. If this would have turned right here and went back up, I was going to go long. See if we can get a little bit more of a push. Try to go long. They didn't want to film me. I got stopped out of the first attempt. Pakistan Army leader may visit something. Hold on. Pakistan Army leader may visit Iran tomorrow to announce the final version of the agreement text. So that's what's causing it to go. Hey, oil's on the move down now. Oil is starting to go back up. Oil's down $2.86. So this is all related to the Middle East. It was like, we might have a deal. Should have front run it. Hey, Jesse, I don't like to have targets right on whole numbers. Like 29,000, 28,000. I'd always front run that by at least a point or two, 3. Oh, they're ripping it back up now. Holy crap. Next round of negotiations will be held in Islamabad after something season. I don't know how to pronounce that. Hey, look, we just barely missed session highs. All right, so we got a new round of talks. We going higher, folks. Dow's back up 148. Oil's down $4. Woo! Woo! Look at oil drop. Nice. Let's go do a little quick check-in real quick. How is the prop accounts? Very good, very good. Let's see. Easy up, easy down. Up, down, all around. Just because we're gonna have talks. Hey, we're gonna have talks. All right, let's rip. All right, so if we look at our prop accounts for the day, my report card is gonna be grand total $8,952, about $400 per account, roughly. Pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. Not too shabby. I may have just moved up on the what's it called too? I may have just moved up on the Tradify Cup because now I'm at $4,100 for the day. So that should put me around 9,000 ish, maybe. Let's see if I broke it into the. I doubt it yet. I'm sure everybody else did better today as well. 35 Cup. Let's see. We'll refresh this. First place still 30,000. Let's see where I'm at. Yeah, they don't have it updated yet. They have me sitting at 8,000. What happened here? I just combined these windows. I don't want that. I don't want that. Dang it. I gotta get back to it. Tradify Cup. There we go. Let's see. Leaderboard. If you look at the leaderboard for the Tradify Cup, still 30,000 for top spot. Second spot's 28,000. Let's see where I'm at real quick. I don't think mine's updated yet. It says 8,000. I think I placed one little scalp earlier. Yeah, it hasn't updated yet. So I should be at 10,000 in profit. I should be around 10,000 in profit now once it updates. We'll see if that'll be enough to move me. Actually, let's go look real quick. Let's see. Page. Let's go to page 20. That might be enough to move me in. I might move me in the top 1,000. We'll see. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on that as it progresses. We shall see. Now, have we seen the high of the day? Let's go look real quick. We kept talking 220 to 250 on the NASDAQ. Well, we've already made it to 240. If you look right here on the 4-hour time frame, look, there's an arrow showing the 50% retracement. We've already hit it. If we look at the GEX 1 level we had over here, we just barely missed it. That's at 250. We just barely missed it. Let's see if we're going to make it up a little bit higher. ES spiked at call resistance, got smacked right back down. So ES having a hard time hanging above 74.15. That call resistance for the time being. Let's see. What's it gonna be? So they said they're gonna have we're gonna have more talks. We're gonna have more talks after the something season. I don't know how to pronounce that. The market went ballistic. Let's see. What is this season? Oh. So how long does it last? So it lasts for 11 days. No, this is the 5-day ritual. 8 day, 9. So it means 3 days. Well, it's funny. I'm reading. It says 5-day ritual. Then it said something about 11 days. So needless to say, the conflict is not going to be resolved today or tomorrow. But hey, we're going to have talks again. We're going to have talks again. We're going to have talks about talking about having future talks. So oil is down $4 at the moment, which that's good. Started yesterday. All right, that's good. Hey, so when does it end? Total is 11 to 12 days. All right. Oh, it's just gonna, oh man. Oh, this is gonna be horrible. Horrible. What if I'm gonna be on vacation then? Oh man, they need to get this stuff over with before I go on vacation. So we'll see. So we're going to talking about the U.S. must completely surrender, leave all bases over there, pay us reparations, and allow us to still enrich uranium. They might be. Hey, that could be the truth. They could be really, really close, just trying to hold it off for a little bit. Yeah, talk about again. So look, is that all we got for today? Now we come back down, or now we wait till Nvidia's earnings come out. I don't know. I don't know. Woohoo! Hey, so I just looked. The Tradeify did update. I'm in 863 spot now. So if the cup were to close right now, I'd be advancing. 10K, only trading one contract. Not bad. Not too shabby. Your little smack back down. Look, double top, top one, top two. We break the neckline, which we did. Let's map this out real quick. I might want to short this. Hey, target on that is going to be down here at 29,046. 29,046. Let's see if we can get down there. That one didn't work. I still want to give it another shot though. 46. You know what I might do? So 29,046. All right, the pattern would be invalidated if we come all the way back up here and we take out the high. So swing high up here would be the invalidation point of that pattern. Let's see. Let's see if we invalidate the pattern or we go all the way down and hit target. Right now, we're trying to go back up. QC up 23%. Huh. Was up a lot more last couple days. Wow, holy crap. From 30 cents all the way up to $4.92 ish. Hey, the market likes tacos. What can we say? All right, we see the VIX coming down here a little bit as well. Let's see if this is going to end up being a busted pattern, that little double top. Is it going to be a busted pattern? Maybe, maybe not. We shall see. Yeah, we have the Dow up 221, SP up 36, NASDAQ up 263, and the Russell up 44 points. Let's get it. Let's get it. So. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dog it. Soon as I got in that trade, it filled me. It didn't give me a chance to move my limit or anything. It was like instant, blink of an eye. I gotta be careful not just to jump right back in. Usually it doesn't work out. It gives me a quick 5 points. I get back in, I get a full stop out at 10 points. So I still want to play down to 29,046. Can we get down there? Again, I'm going to leave the poll up for probably another 2 minutes or so. So if you guys do want to vote, poll is in the chat. Poll is, will NVIDIA pop or drop after earnings? Yeah, you can't make this up. They're getting it. We's going higher. 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 So... a little aggressive, but let's see if we can go down there. I'm still hoping that that double top pattern will play out. So I'm gonna get my spot, get enough in the green, move my stop to break even, and try to just run the market down there. Probably not gonna make it that easy on me though. Yeah, Mark's like, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're going higher. Not going no higher. TP out and go eat something. Beat but still crash. Good. They were right up here on session highs. So if we break above session highs, that green line invalidates that. All right, that double top pattern is busted. All right. This is proof. You know, patterns, they get busted all the time. That's why it's good to have good risk management. All right, let's go look at the ES real quick. 4 hour. Coming up on that 38% retracement. Do we then push all the way up to 50%? Maybe. Oil still down $4. $4. 300 looks good, but you might take profit sooner. 1030 reversal. I don't know. Hey, the 1030 reversal come in a little bit early. They got me a horrible feel on that. I tried to get in before we broke up through the highs, and it filled me after that high. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. I'm just gonna take it. Just gonna take it. I got some of what I lost in the previous trade back. We do have a sell detector, trade detector bubble up here. Do we get back down below it? Or are they just gonna keep ripping their face off? I don't know. I'm gonna wait. I want to sell it, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Market's clearly going up at the moment. I don't need to fight it. So if I want to participate, I need to go long, and I don't know how I feel about going long up here at the highs. If we can get a little push, let's see. Can we just pierce that high just a little bit? Just a wee little bit. Yeah, quite a bit of delta just coming on that little spike. Quite a bit of delta came in right here. Still cannot hold though. So. Hey Bob, what's up? What's up? I'm having a great time this morning. Watch, it's gonna rip up now. Now that I got short, it's gonna rip. I'd like to go a little bit lower. Come on, just push it. Push it. All right, I'll take that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, hey, Bob, I'm not. So Monday, my wife and daughter wanted to spend time with me. So we went and took a trip, spent a day in your neck of the woods. And so I figure everyone was thinking, since I didn't stream on Monday, that if I put that background, they'll think I'm already on vacation. But no, I'm not on vacation yet. It's coming up soon though. Coming up very soon. So. Are they going to rip it back up? Russian channel still facing upward. See if we can get a little push. A little push. Dog it. Yeah, Ty's moving in. Yeah, they have their tie changes over there are quite large. Which I need to check the forecast coming up. NVIDIA could beat and we can still drop. I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll. And look at the sellers trying to get aggressive here. Dang it, I tried to jump on. Oh, I got filled. Look, I tried to jump on board with them. A little bit late. Well, let's see if we can flip this down. Get down towards that lower regression channel a little bit. See if I'll get on down there. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Maybe. Nope. Should have waited. You hate trend days? Yeah, I agree. You guys, no, I definitely do not like trend days. They are no fun. No fun for this guy. God, dog it. I'm not liking this right now either. Stupid market. Come on, just grind back up. You didn't want to go down, so grind back up. This market's starting to irritate me a little bit now. Starting to irritate just a little bit. All right, so we're going to go back up towards the high, or are we going down towards the lower regression channel? What's it going to be? Let's go look at the volume profile real quick. We have the point of control at 117. Probably heading back towards that area. 117. Where's the lower regression channel? Well, look at it. It's right here at 110. Let's see. Doing pretty good earlier. Now I'm a little bit irritated. Good thing I haven't been trading the prop accounts anymore. I don't want to give up any of those gains in those accounts. Yeah, hey Trim, we already had one race, but yeah, we're having another duck race today. That is the plan. The stupid market would just cooperate with me. $40 take profit. TP on some of them. Let's see. It's like I get in and it just chops around and stops me out. Do we end up falling back down? You son of a biscuit eater. All right. This is getting old now. Come on, Mr. Market. You got to participate with me. I go long, you go down. I go short, you go up. We gotta get in alignment. SPY has a huge head and shoulders. I kind of think we might want to come down a little bit. Well, I won't be surprised if the ES hits 73.91. 73.91 on the ES. If you look at where we're at now, we're up here at 17. And on the NASDAQ, could we maybe make it to 80-ish? 29,080-ish. This is what I'm kind of thinking. But we'll see. We'll see. Or are we just going to hold up here? Look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil initially had that big spike down. Big spike down. Look, we're trying to undo it. Once we get over 50% of that candle, which we're basically at, probably going to go all the way back to the high of it. I'm sorry, to the opening price of it, high of the candle body. Somewhere around 101.74. Crude oil goes up, that should pull our markets back down a little bit. Yeah, NVIDIA's up almost 2% on the day. Google, Meta, Microsoft, all down. Sitting at 61 on the fear and greed index. Do not be surprised if we close at or near VWAP. VWAP right now is at 72, so that would still make sense down towards that area. We'll see if we make it. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. We'll see. It's gonna pump. Watch out. Maybe. But I don't want to miss out on the pump. That's why I got in. The way I can donate some more money to the market makers. Let them feed their families. Come on, just go down. Just get on down there, please. We have the opening range high right up here. Should I say right down here? About 154.75. I feel like the market just doesn't want to move now. Mark's like, we're cool. Let's just chop right here. Sold some calls in. Oh, wow. You're a wild man. You're crazy, Raj. Nuts. Right before earnings. If I did that, it'll guarantee to run me over. Getting out. It'll guarantee run me over. Yeah, it might. Let's go look at the liquidity. We got a little bit of liquidity here on the NASDAQ. 225. What do we have? Anything below us? Not till about 29,000. The good thing I did get out would have fully stopped me out. Oh yeah, hey Raj, I figured it wasn't in the money. So good thing I got out of that last trade a little bit early. Do I dare? Nice. Hey, repeat. Good job. That's awesome. That is awesome. I don't know. I'm fighting the urge to want to pop another trade on the funded accounts, but I don't know if I'm going to do it. We do have the 20-year bond auction coming up here at 101 today as well. Past 4 Apex and 1 MFF. Nice. Lost 4 Apex. Yeah, I only have 1 Apex right now. I'm working on my strategy right around the open. Once I get that licked, I'm going to get more accounts with them. Come on. Now we're just like chopping up here. Chop, 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 chop. Hey, so how many times have you gotten over 6 payouts? How many times? Majority of people don't get 6 payouts. And it really is still a good deal with a 50K account. I think you can still get out like $13,000 per account. So you could pay all in, what, less than $200 to get 13,000? That's a good deal. I mean, I would prefer them just to move people alive after the 6 payout. I think that would make it better. But if you look at it from how much you have to spend to what you could potentially make, the reward to risk ratio is just off the charts. Hey, still keep an eye down here. 29,100-ish. Keep an eye down there. Could we make it? Can we get down there? Can we do it? Maybe. Maybe not. Let's see if we can break that lower regression channel and start working our way down here. Now, I am kind of curious. 117 is going to be that point of control, the developing point of control at the moment. So we'll see. We still have 1 Lucid account to give away. We already gave away 1 earlier. So. Let's see. Yeah, trading takes a while to learn. And even once you learn it, it still takes a while. You still have bad days, still do stupid things at stupid times. And win stupid prizes. We're just chopping up here. Hey, but we could have a little head and shoulders too, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder over here. Also have a potential ABC pattern on the way down. I'm kind of curious. I want to map that out real quick. Target on that ABC pattern is going to be about 147. If we break back above the swing point right up here around 238, invalidates the pattern. So 147. I'm going to give it a swing. I'm going to front run that. I'm going to front run that 147. Strike. Oh, you guys can't see it. Dang it. You guys are wrong screen. Sorry about that. I'm going to front run that 147. Doesn't mean I'm going to get it. It's probably going to stop me out first. Yep, stop me out first. Still like that area. As long as we stay below 236, I still want to give this more shots down to 147. Even if I got to do that with micros. So. Evals are like free drinks at the casino. NVIDIA on the daily. No. So we had a 9 count up here, and then it pulled back and started counting again. Well, look, we already had the pullback after the 9 count. I don't really like it when the 9 counts already started the pullback. I like it when the 9 count, like here, even though that one didn't work out. 9 count up there. NVIDIA's not really respecting a 9 count. It did to the downside. It did over here. These last couple, not so much. So. All right, they're trying to rip it. Let's see if they busted. So look, they're threatening to invalidate the potential ABC pattern on the way down, which ABC pattern never validated, never broke below that swing point. Never broke below it. So we break above that high, I'll just simply erase it off. It's a pattern that never got validated. So it's a little bit different than a busted pattern. Busted pattern would have been if price came below that swing point and then went all the way up here. Well, it never made it quite below that swing point, so it's not truly a valid pattern yet. So let's see. Do we just keep on rallying up? Pump it up. All day, every day, can't stop, won't stop. All right, we went above that area right there, so I can go ahead and remove the drawing objects off that chart. The pattern I was hoping was going to play out simply is not. We're just going to keep pushing. Let's see if we push. You don't want to hit the ABC pattern down. Let's see if you can push on up. Back up towards session highs. Yeah, $2,500 on the NASDAQ on the NQ will go quick. It's going to be like, poof, where'd that go? It's gone. Oh, we're starting to get a lot of delta built up right there. That delta scare me. I probably should have got out on that big delta spike down here. I think I'm going to regret it. I was trying to get more though. I didn't want to take it off. Probably should have though. Should be able to at least go back up and revisit the swing point up here. We'll see if we break it. Do we break it and push a little bit higher or not? Dang it. So we have the ES up 48, Dow up 321. I'm sorry, NASDAQ up 321, Dow up 311. Russell up 50. Wow. Wow. All you had to do is say we're going to have talks and the market's to the moon. See, I should have got out on that high delta spike. I knew it. Son of a biscuit. And watch, we're going to make it up there. My stops are just too tight for this volatility. I got to expand out my stop losses a little bit. Probably. We're gonna make our way up 285, maybe. Clock out and go home. Yeah, you're at home. Look, we reran that big delta spike. I just had too tight of a stop on it. I've been long and short today. So if we're gonna try to push to 280-ish area. Hope means you're still missing something. Come on, just push it. Come on. Push it. Yeah, not about being right. When we first started trading, like, oh, my win-loss ratio is blah, 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 blah. Then you later learn that it doesn't mean nothing. Win-loss ratio is irrelevant. You gonna come down and stop me out again, then go up there? I do want to check in on the one day max and one day on the ES and the NASDAQ. All right, I'm going to take that one off. At least I got me back in the green. One day max is still up here. Look, we already hit the GEX 1. We smashed that GEX 1 level. Now the one day max is going to be up here at about 312 right there. Yes, trying to push. Lots more ice up here. Hey, Jesse, I don't see it. I don't have a whole lot. Yeah, 395 for ice up there. She always lost. Oh boy. So what's the range? SP range is 77 points. The NASDAQ, what do we got for a NASDAQ range? 482 on the NASDAQ. Hey, look, here's the ABC target we drew out in pre-market. A to B, B to C. There is a target at 260. Right there. Very nice, very nice. Let's see. Still trying to get it. Let's see. Are we going to get a turn from up there or not? You got a 9 count up here on the 1 minute, but are we going to still pump a little bit more? Real background when I'm in Costa Rica. I'm not going to be streaming on the beach. I think my hotel room has a balcony, I think, but I don't know. We're going to keep pushing on up. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, hey, we're not talking about sharks. Stop it. I refuse to watch Shark Week or anything. Let's see. Jesse's trying to get me to change my iceberg indicator, see if it does it like his. Okay, let's see. Got NASDAQ still pushing highs, which show got that one. All right, let's see. Hey, Jesse, I still don't have as many as you have. I have more now, but not as many. See shark circle in the water. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, if they're in that water right there, I'm good because I'm not there. I've seen sharks while I've been surfing in Costa Rica, but they've only had like 10 or 11 unprovoked shark attacks in 400 years. Let's see. (2011) So 2011 was the last time a surfer, which is at one of the surf spots I do surf at. I don't need to read that. I'm not reading that stuff. Not gonna think about it. I got a night count. Let's see if we can break down here a little bit. Go back towards the opening range high. Get a little pullback towards this structure area as well. This little area we broke out from about 159. Maybe I'll play micros down to it. I don't know, man. There's all kinds of wildlife in Costa Rica. I'm normally chasing the waves, so I don't usually partake in a lot of the other stuff. Now I have, I've been ziplining and renting four-wheelers and stuff before, which I'm probably gonna do a little bit of that this trip too, just for content for a channel, show you guys what it's like. I got a 360 camera. That should be pretty cool. So I've been ziplining plenty of times, but I got a 360 camera. I think it'll be pretty cool. Plus I want to show my daughter. I want to try to get my daughter to go with me and my wife next time. So it should be fun. How does one provoke a shark? I don't know. I don't want no part of it. I remember telling my friend, he lives down there. Like, he's born and raised in Costa Rica, but I said, hey, there's a shark in the water. Ah, don't worry about it. Just pet him. I'm like, huh? Ain't petting them. They're not going to bite you. I was like, all right. Hey, but then he's seen a shark in the water, or an alligator, or crocodile in the water. I seen the fear on his face, and he's saying, get the F out of the water. I'm like, oh boy, he's never scared. I was out of the water. I was quick. So via Pakistan. Yeah, we'll see if they transfer it or not. Do they or do they not transfer it? We'll see. Yeah, way more scared of Crocs. Well, what's funny is, so in Florida, in any fresh water, if it's a big puddle outside, you probably got an alligator in it. So I'm more used to seeing alligators, but I don't like that either. We used to there's a river. We used to jump off, swing on a rope swing and jump off in the river. You could see the alligators in the river and nobody ever got bit. So I don't know that I do it now, but when I was a kid, was what it was. Adding more longs. I really want to short this down here. I want to take a little short down towards 159-ish. We have a little ABC pattern trying to set up here on the 1 minute. Very small. Again, we haven't got the turn point yet, so we don't know for sure. We will get the turn, and we do got to break below that swing point for that pattern to be validated. Yeah, young and dumb. Sometimes it's good not to know what you don't know. You don't know what you don't know. That's crazy. Ringtone sharks to do. Let's see. Again, I like 159. We're going to try to break that swing point right there. Let's get it. See if we can feel a little bit closer to his EMAs. Try to reduce some of the heat I'll take on this. I love it. We go all the way down to 159. I don't think it's going to give it to me that easy, though. Don't think it's going to give it up that easy. We haven't really broken that swing point yet, so I'm front running that pattern. And I'm probably going to pay for it. Yeah. So look, I was hoping for this little ABC pattern down right here. Like this. A to B, B to C, and then we project down here for D, but we never broke that swing point. I jumped it a little bit early. Now I'm back red on the day. Stupid market. Come on down. Let's come on down. We need to get the EMAs to turn back down. I want to see a little ABC pattern validated. If we go much above this swing point here, this be a pattern that truly did not validate. So that's what I get for jumping it early. Come on, stupid market. It's going for 29,300. It might be. Very well could be. Got oil down $3.61. Speaking of London, how's the DAX doing? DAX and the CAC. I want to go check that once I'm out of this trade. Stupid market. Come on, just drop it. Just drop it. Please. Please and thank you. Yeah, gold was down earlier. Now it's up. Just closed it. I'll show you minis. I'll show you micros in the prop accounts. They're all up around 400 bucks for the day. I'm not trading those no more. Done, done, and done. So I stopped myself out early, which it would have stopped me out for a full loss. And now it tries to turn in. Go back down and sucker me into another trade. Joker. The market's definitely slowed down quite a bit. Over here on the ES, we have some liquidity. 74.30 right here. I had a good night last night trading. Last night was fairly easy. Even early on this morning, it was pretty easy. And somehow I fell off the bus. So we'll see if we can get down to that 159-ish. Come back down, retest the opening range high. Almost no negative ticks all day. That's not good when I'm shorting. I need more negative ticks. So I'll see a little pullback. Pull back to 159-ish. That'd be fantastic, actually. But I do got to think about this. So we have the Fed minutes coming out too. Fed minutes at 2 o'clock. I didn't think about that. I forgot about that. We had the bond auction at 101. Marcus just likes hanging me underwater. Can't dance around while I'm in the green. Come on, just drop it. We want to try to take it all the way down to 159. 159 would be pretty sweet. Might be asking a little bit too much right now. A little bit too much. But it would be pretty nice. I'm not so convinced we're going to make it all the way down there while I'm in this trade. We still kind of have a little ABC pattern down. Maybe. If I draw it out, it's definitely not going to happen. We take out that swing high right there. It's gonna invalidate it. It looks like I might end up with a red day today. Might end up with a red day. A lot of stops built at 265. I still think it wants to go down. All right, here goes new session highs. I feel like something just came out. Let's see what this is. And we got a rocket ship on the way up. Let's see. What was all that about? Any news out? Oh, yeah. Oil's down $6. Something to do with the Middle East. The U.S. is in final stages of talks with Iran. Final stages of talks with Iran. Oil drops. Oil's down $6, $7. Yeah. So we've now had a 96-point range today on the ES. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. The war's ended for the 87th time. What's this daily look like? Let's go look real quick. We'll see what happens with Iran. Pushing up. It's going to be critical over the next couple of days. Do we end up setting a lower high? Or do we go up and make another new all-time high? If you think about it, nothing's really changed. Nothing has really changed. Same old, same old. We've got a deal. We're about to have a deal. Oh, we have no deal. All right, we're going to have talks in however much time. We're going to bomb them back to the Stone Age. Same old, same old. So. Well, if we go look at oil real quick, good eye on whoever spotted it with oil. Oil, big spike down, but slowly coming back. Oil right now is only down 592. So we shall see. I mean, it's got to be the truth, right? I mean, the media just reported it. We got to be close to the deal. You need cheap puts. So, wow, we hit all the way up at 400. Wow. Pretty nice. Sell the news on the war. They're going to try to bring it back up a little bit. So now we've had a 102-point range. 102-point range. We have the bond auction coming up at 101. We have the Fed minutes at 2, and we have NVIDIA earnings after the bell. Which, speaking of NVIDIA, how's that doing? NVIDIA is up 2.26%. Not bad. Not too shabby. Stupid market. Yeah, that's what they do. Bitcoin's up 791. Big spike up on Bitcoin on that news as well. So they did get oil back below 100. Oil right now is at 98.88. Let's see, they just keep on squeezing it up. Squeeze, squeeze. Hey, JD, felons have rights too. So. DJD, you have rights too. It's all good. JD for president. Let's go look at this real quick. So look, we do have a low volume node right here. So watch 34. 34 is probably going to come back and get tested. Let's zone this out real quick. And let's go ahead and look. We already hit this one down here earlier. On NASDAQ. This whole profile looks pretty pathetic at the moment. Let me remove the drawing objects. Clean that up a little bit. So NASDAQ, maybe right like this. So let's say 300 down to 282 on the NASDAQ. Which really isn't that far. Look over here on the 1 minute. You can see that zone we just drew out. It means that we're getting ready to bomb them back to the Stone Age. It means we'll have a new round of talks coming up soon. So. Let's see. Do we get down there? They talk about, all right. They have a meeting. All right, we're going to meet again in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Or 3 weeks. Or 2 months. Let's negotiate our next meeting that we're going to have. We're not going to give you guys anything. You're not going to give us anything. All right, we'll discuss. Let's negotiate the next meeting then. Same old. Rinse and repeat. Look, NASDAQ is trying to come down towards that zone down here. Will it make it? You guys are trading the ES has that area right here, that minus development area. On the ES, it's like 36 to 34. So watch that. If it wasn't for Trump's tweets. I mean, the longs are liking it. Longs like that big old spike we just got. Let's see. Can we get down there? Can they do it? We shall see. NASDAQ's almost at that zone. A little bit more to go. Let's see. Come on down there. Get down to the zone. Just follow the plan for me. Come on. You want 11 pardons? Dog it. Oh. I'll try and trade it down that level. Look, it stopped me out. I probably should just trade it with micros, honestly. When the market's whipping around like this, I gotta widen my stop. I don't really want to widen my stop. I feel like that gets into a slippery slope. And I'll always be making excuses to use a bigger stop. So stop down both spikes. The spikes are a mother. There we go. All right, NASDAQ hit that zone. NASDAQ hit the zone. Is it ES going to be able to also get into that zone? But ES is getting close to it. ES getting close down here. Will it be able to hit it? One more push. Just push it real good. They don't have to be scared. Just go down there. Everybody's doing it. Let's see. Let's see. Look, ES got into that zone. ES got into it. Is it gonna break it? I'm in this ES. Gary hit the eject. I'm out. So ES, I think, got me back in the green. I want to go for more, but I don't want it to whip back on me and then have a bigger loss. I'm trying to recoup some of that loss. So. All right, come on down. Come on down. Come on down. All right, now here's a question. Are we going to undo this whole entire big candle right there? We still have that Lucid account. One more Lucid account to give away, which we'll probably do that here in just a second. I didn't realize what time it was. Probably do that Lucid account giveaway here in just a moment. Look, came right down that zone. Are we going to reject out of it? Or do we come all the way down to that widespread candle at the bottom of it? Inquiring minds want to know. On the 30-minute candle, if this candle were to close, which we're getting close, big wick on that candle on the NASDAQ and on the S&P. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that zone. See, we already came into it. Same thing on the NASDAQ. Get rid of it. Made like 5K. Oh man, that stinks, Paul. Yeah. Hey, but the good news about DLL, Paul, is if you get dinged out, you can't blow the account in one day, or it's going to be hard to. Not impossible. If you get some crazy slippage, technically you could, but more than likely it's going to take you at least 2 days to blow the account versus just torching it in one day. So I know I hate the DLLs, but you know, it's funny. So the first time I traded with MFF, my fund of futures, day number one, I had the daily loss limit. Day one, I was like, oh man. Day two, I passed. Then I got that account to pay out. So I was pretty happy with that. A class action lawsuit against Trump. Yep. $2,500 and $90. Let's see if we're going to bounce back up or are we going to come right back down. All right, there's the ES. ES trying to bounce back up here a little bit. What about NASDAQ? Regression channel still facing up. I really still think the NASDAQ wants to go to 159. Still don't know if I want to take a swing at it yet. I'm looking around for liquidity on the books. NASDAQ has a little bit more above us than below us. If we look over here on the NASDAQ, we have some liquidity, 364 and 368. Actually, 368 is not enough. It's only 28 contracts. Then 400, we have 40 contracts. So. $10 trillion. Trillionaire. You think NQ is done? Yeah, let's see if you're right, Raj. I really want to shoot. I really want to target this opening range high. And I don't know. I gotta hold that at bay for the moment. I'm not trading well today. I've had a lot of losing trades, but I started off good, then slowly not so much. Hey, so if we look over here at oil is well off the low now. Oil is well off that low. We'll see if it's going to go back down there, or if it's going to go undo that big candle body. We shall see. You know, the VIX down 42 cents, trying to go lower. Well, VWAP on the NASDAQ's at 109 right now. On the ES, it's all the way down here at 74.06. So. Trump says, we'll see what happens with Iran. Okay. We're going to see the straits are still going to be closed. They're going to collect tolls to go through the straits. Green to red would be crazy. Yeah, but it's not impossible. I don't think it's probable, but not impossible. Dow's up 400 right now, 413. S&P up 59. NASDAQ up 493. Hey, we have the Russell up 56. Russell's up percentage-wise more than any other indice out there. Look, Russell's up 2.9%. Left shoulder ahead. Right shoulder, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go look at RSP real quick. RSP is up 0.85%, while the SPY is up 0.83. So they're pretty evenly matched. Pretty evenly matched. So. As I was trying to push it. If we go up too much, only in Asia. Only in Asia do they halt the markets on the way up. So. Here, let's give away. Let's do that other giveaway real quick. Let's get that duck race started. This will be the second Lucid account of the day. Again, Lucid's 50% off all their accounts. So if you guys want to check out, that means even the direct accounts. So if you want to skip the evaluation, direct account is also 50% off. Let's go. It's the second Lucid account given away today. And in the 5 o'clock video tonight, I'm going to be giving away an account out of that video as well. So let's see. I get the duck race going. Ducky ducks. All right. All right. So I'm going to give out the key phrase here in 3, 2, 1. Beep. Key phrase given out. Lucid, use code Mike. Thomas is always on it. Always. He's like, you can't beat me. Cannot beat me. All right. Number 2 is going to be Adam. You have a spot in the duck race. Number 3. Rapid. You have a spot in the duck race. Number 4. Cash flow audiobook. You have a spot. This stupid market goes down without me. I'm going to be upset. Ready? You have a spot in the race. I'm going to pick out some winners as well, or some contestants for the duck race. Keep in mind, if you want a chance to win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Otherwise, if you win and you're not on the email list, you simply forfeit. I have no way to give you your account. Actually, what I'll do this time, so if somebody forfeits, I'll just drop the code in the chat and whoever gets it first. So, Paul, you have a spot in the duck race. Oh man, let's go, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we got 2 more. 2 more Nightbot's gonna pick out, and then I'm gonna scroll through the chat, so you guys can quit typing in the chat now. All right, we got Jose in the chat. I think both winners yesterday were both named Jose. All right. So you guys can quit typing in the chat. I'm going to pick out some other people out of the chat that I see in here on a regular basis. Dave Snyder, you have a spot in the duck race. So I'm going to give you a spot. Who else? J2 Trader, you have a spot in the duck race. iTrades, I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. Trying to look at people that Nightbot doesn't normally pick out. Oh, hey, Golf and Surf, I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. All right, let's see whose duck is going to be the fastest duck out there. Let's go see. Let's go see. All right, every day this week, we're going to be giving away accounts. So make sure you watch the videos, tune into the live stream, all that fun stuff. All right, on your marks, get set, beep. Who's going to win it? Who's got it? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, Ace is out in the lead by a little bit, by a smidge. Professor Thomas. He's analyzing the field. Let's see, let's see. Uh-oh. Dr. Paul. Dr. Paul in the lead. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Hey, Miguel, what's up? Come on, come on, come on. Who's going to win it? Uh-oh. Oh, man, number 3 is taking off. Number 3 got a boost. All right, cash flow audiobook. Cash flow audiobook. What is the first 3 letters of your email? Congrats. First 3 letters of your email. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He shot out of the back. Pew. Catch me if you can. KAR. All right, let's see. Man, there's a lot of KARs. So let's see. Nope, not that one. All right, we're scrolling through here. I haven't found you yet. Still scrolling through here. I don't see you on here. Hey, I don't see you on the list, Cash Flow Audiobook. Hey, send me an email from the last email I sent out. What was that? I sent out an email on Monday. On Monday, I sent an email out. Yeah, I tried KAR. I couldn't find you. I'm not saying you're not on here. I see you in the stream a lot. So I haven't started the countdown timer yet. Here. I logged out, even logged back in just to make sure. I don't see it. I almost wonder if this is you and you put in the wrong. You put in, somebody put in for the YouTube username, my name. I don't know if this was you or not. Where do you sign up to? Where do you sign up to email? Hey, it's the first link in the description box down below where it says giveaway. Giveaway sign up. First link in the description box. I see audiobook on here on the stream quite a bit. So, but there, oh, let me make sure it's not. Oh, hold on. There's more pages. Hold on. Audiobook. Hold up. There's 2 pages of KARs. No, I don't see it on that page either. Mike Jones. Oh boy. So if you can send me an email, reply back to the email that I sent on Monday, we can verify it that way as well. So let me log into that email. And then if I can't find you, we're just going to throw the code into the chat. Have it a free-for-all. Before I throw it in the chat, though, I will let everybody know so you guys can get logged in to your Lucid account and get it ready to type in the code. Hey, Trim Trader, I'll give you a spot in the race tomorrow. Guaranteed. And tonight's video, we're going to be giving away an account as well. So hey, Cashflow Audiobooks, did you try to email me back? You're the winner, but I can't find your name on the email list. I can't find your name on the email list. So if you can send me, I'm gonna set a timer. Maybe 1K off the push. Nice. Nice. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. All right, you got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Otherwise, it's a Lucid Pro account. So otherwise, I'm going to drop the code in the chat. If we can't get this resolved in 3 minutes, I can't find you on the email list. I checked all the KARs. So I sent an email out on Monday. All you got to go is go to Monday, reply to me back from that email, and then I can find your email address right from there to give you the code. Otherwise, you forfeit. So this one, since it's a code, I can just drop this one in the chat. We'll let you guys fight for it. Like, not really fight, but you know. Let's see. Lucid Pro. Bam. Yeah, I gotta wait for the timer to end. The timer still has 1 minute and 55 seconds. So, still giving the benefit of the doubt. Up. I found it. Hold on. All right. Hey, now we got to do a 2FA real quick. Hey, they emailed me back. So we're going to do a 2FA and just see. Some of you guys just like to. You know, that was one of, hey, you didn't have the correct YouTube name in there. I seen that email reply. So hold on. Hey, so I just replied back to your email. Cash flow audiobooks. Type in the number in the chat that I just sent you. Make sure we got the right one. Man, I thought we were gonna get to see a fight in the chat. So I can stop the timer. Let's just make sure it's right. I think it's really good, Sods. That 25K account is awesome with Take Profit Trader. You have the one-to-one, you know, how much you can make versus what you have to risk. I'm still waiting for him to type it in the chat. Wow, Dow's up 498. Oil's down $5. All right, there you go. All right, I'm gonna send it to you. He's got it. He's got it. Let's reply. Oh man, I was thinking about dropping a code, but it's all good. Bam. All right, hey, I just sent you the code in your email. Just sent you the code. So you should be all squared away with that. I was wondering who's got the fastest fingers on the keyboard to swipe that code if I was to post it in the chat. Oh man, I was really hoping. I want to see a good little code drop. So, still might have a surprise for you guys though. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm going to drop a code for $150 Lucid account. 150K Lucid account. Ooh. Which account is it going to be? Let me go see. Let's go see. All right, this is for a Lucid 150K account. Hey, so it's going to be for the Flex account. So if you want a chance to win, Lucid 150K Flex account. You're not at your computer? Oh, man. Slacker. Slacker. We're going to drop it. 150K Flex account. It's going to get dropped. So here, you guys, in about 3 minutes, I'm going to drop the code. So go over to Lucid, select 150K Flex account, get it all ready to check out. And right where normally you put in code Mike, hopefully, where you normally put that code in, you're going to insert this code. Whoever's the fastest is going to get it. So let's see who's going to get it. We shall see. Hey, Mecha Noble, I'm going to drop a code in the chat for 150K Lucid Flex account. So instead of putting in code Mike, you put in this code. First person that gets it is going to win. I'm going to drop the code in just a few moments. So make sure your stream is on live. Click the live button so you're right up to date. So you'll see it as soon as I drop it. So this will be a Lucid 150K Flex account. The 150K Lucid Flex. Thomas will grab it. Maybe. Hey, and do me a favor. Whoever wins, let me know who won. So go to checkout. Go to Lucid. Select the 150K Flex account. Get ready for checkout right where it says code. You want to boop, boop, and be ready just to send it. All right. So here we go. Here we go. I'm getting ready to drop the code. Are you ready? Are you ready for the code drop? All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The code's dropped. Bam. Let's see who gets it. It's for 150K Lucid Flex account. Who's going to get it? Who's going to be the winner? Hopefully they report back and say who it was who got it. No, you don't type in the chat. You type in the Lucid. If you typed it in the chat, you're already behind. You have to type it in Lucid. So somebody got it. Somebody already got it. Who got it? You got it fast and still missed it? Who sniped it? So somebody sniped it. Who got it? You got, oh, Ace Trades got it. Oh, man. Awesome. Ace Trades was the sniper out there. So Ace Trades got it, which he's on here every day. So I'm pretty happy about that. Hey, we still got more Lucid accounts to give away. I'm giving away at least minimum 1 Lucid account in the 5 o'clock video. And I'll send an email out later on after I post that video. It's going to be a market analysis video. Watch the video, leave any comment, and at the end of your comment, leave the first 3 letters of your email, and I'm going to pick at least 1 winner out of that video. So, and every day this week, we're going to be giving away accounts on stream, on videos, all that fun stuff. So hopefully you guys will come back and join me throughout the week. Hopefully I can trade better. I got to trade this afternoon a little bit. I'm going to get some lunch, and then I'm going to come back and trade. See if I can get some of this money back that I lost during the New York session. So, but with that being said, I'm out of here. Have a good rest of your day. If you're green, stay green. Don't let the markets pick your pockets and get their money back. All right, guys, take care.